Do you know why we sneeze? Sneezing is your body's defense weapon. When something irritates your nose, dust, pollen, smoke, or even sunlight, your nerves send an instant alert to your brain. In less than a second, it triggers a chain reaction. Your chest and diaphragm muscles contract. You take a deep breath. Then you blast the air out at a speed that can exceed 150 kilometers per hour, is almost equal to 90 miles per hour. It's like an express cleaning of your airways. And here's a fun fact. You always sneeze with your eyes closed. It's an uncontrollable reflex. Oh, and just like yawning, sneezing is contagious too. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body protecting itself. Like and subscribe to follow Doc Study Smart.